In this section of the TSS App training series, we will focus on the powerful yet simple reporting function of this application. Once you come to mytssapp.com, you will log in with the credentials supplied. And once you log in, you will be brought to the dashboard, the main screen of the Total Salon Solutions web application. Here, you will have the option to select reports from either the top menu, bar, or dashboard menu area. Once you click Reports, you will notice that the reporting module has the following screen displayed. Depending on how your browser is configured and your screen size, you can either have all of it displayed at once, or you can scroll down and see several areas. The TSS app was designed in the most simplistic format, so immediately you can gain full visibility into all your financial activities. Here, this is what we call the standard profit and loss statement. An overview of what's on this screen is profit loss, total operating revenue, total operating expenses, total cost of goods sold, your net income, your gross income. Here we have customer information. This is just your standard information about your user profile, along with your estimated tax bracket, if that's been included. You have total revenue, total expenses, broken down into an easy to understand bar graph. Here you see if you have revenue from booth rental, what the revenue was and what the date of the service was. Here under expenses, you have your total, and then you have each expense, and then the cost. You'll notice down at the bottom you have another overview in this format, and it's a sum of the amounts. So you have here if you spent money or expense on advertising, ashtray products and services, beauty supply, booth rental, loan, retail products, and then total. If you scroll down further, you have cost of goods sold and another summary of the total amount. You can also toggle with this easy to use calendar and see any custom date range. So if I want to know the last 7 days, here you'll see there was no activity. If I want to see the last month, here you will see there was some activity. Now, the interesting thing about these views are that you can print them out or download the data at any time, depending on whether you need to see a month to date, year to date, or quarterly. So here I've chosen the year to date, and here you see all the data, which the more time that you select on the calendar or the date range, you will have more data. You can simply choose download data here under the expense section, and an XML file will be downloaded. If you open the XML file, you see that your data is brought into an easy to read, easy to format Excel spreadsheet. This is how you can also export the data out of the TSS app. Depending on your browser, you can either choose from the menu bar at the top to print, or you can right click and choose print and print off the profit and loss statement. Look for other training videos and more reporting features to come soon. Thank you.